Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find your phone number on Android. So if you use an Android phone and you want to find your phone number, the moment you inserted your SIM card on your phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to find your phone number on your Android phone, the first approach is go ahead and open the phone app. Then click on contact. Now I want to click my profile. Then automatically you should find your phone number here. You can see this phone. So this is the phone number. That's one of the ways you can use to find your phone number on your Android phone. Another way you can use to find your phone number on Android phone, if this does not work for you, is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and then click on about phone. Once you selected about phone, then you should see your phone number here. So phone number is going to be labeled here directly. You see that? So this is your phone number. And if you have dual SIM on your Android phone, you should see the second phone number here. In my own case, I have unknown. Even though I have dual SIM phone and I have both SIM inserted, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to find your phone number on Android phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.